There's a lot of confusion about what plastic bags and overwrap is versus other flexible plastic packaging. In front of me I have examples of plastic bags and overwrap. So for example, this is overwrap. An overwrap comes around water bottles, toilet paper, plastic bags that you might get from the grocery aisle. You can see you can stick your thumb through it. And also we have examples of overwrap you might get around mattresses or perhaps dry cleaning. And this is an example of a type of plastic I can easily stick my thumb through. And now we're going to look at other flexible plastic packaging, which isn't a great name, but it just describes those types of soft plastics or flexible plastics that don't fit underneath the plastic bags and overwrap. This is a soft plastic, but you can hear it's very crinkly and you can't get your thumb through it. We're looking at netting. So this type of netting from oranges is something that can now go to the other flexible plastic packaging. Bubble wrap is a common question, and bubble wrap is now under the other flexible plastic packaging. These are called multi-layered containers. They often have foil on the inside like this one. These ones are resealable as well. So if it's a resealable type of packaging that's soft like a bag like this, resealables including these types of pouches and including those pouches that you might get for say your toddler's squishy packs for the type of stuff that they're eating nowadays, those ones can come as long as they have a pouch at the bottom. If it's pinched at the bottom, it's not part of the collection program and will go into the garbage. Some of the cool things that we're also seeing now around Halloween or just throughout the year are these type of candy bar wrappers and granola bar wrappers. These are things that used to go in the garbage that can now go to the other flexible plastic packaging program. Now here's just a few things that you can see that aren't part of the program and have to go in the garbage. And that would include things such as this kind of plastic wrap with a zipper, anything with paper and plastic like this bubble wrap inside this paper envelope, straws, anything that might be a mix of paper and plastic similar to these blister packs. This is actually used for beverage containers to hold up, say, water or pop. Any kind of soft foam. This soft foam is not recyclable. And then anything with food waste in it, and we see a lot of that material. Be sure not to include anything with a pinched end. That might include a toothpaste tube or a sunscreen tube. Those tubes can't get clean enough and should go in the garbage rather than into any recycling program in BC.